The allegation of so-called genocide in China's Xinjiang Uyghur Autonomous Region is fabricated by some Western media outlets and a total farce. That is according to William Jones, Washington bureau chief of the U.S. publication Executive Intelligence Review.
I don't see any reason, I don't see any basis for the accusations that are being made. Because of the power of the United States, everybody's been jumping on this genocide stuff. Everybody who comes and looks, they come back and say, I don't see it either. But genocide, I mean, this is it's an insult to use that word, because genocide is you're eliminating a people. You know, you're eliminating not only their language, but also the people themselves. There's no indication of any of this going on. I mean, people are still talking, you know, in their own language. They're going to school and learning their own language. And they're practicing their religion. There are more mosques that are being built in Xinjiang than any other place in the world. And the population is growing, and it's becoming more prosperous. Right? So this is just a total farce. China is important because it is big and it is now strong. And this has sent a lot of worries to the United States. Xinjiang and Tibet have always classically been the issues that they've been playing with. So the issue is that you have to somehow undermine China, politically, create problems for them, stop investment. All of these things are involved in Xinjiang.